Welcome. Today we are going to be creating OUS for this domain that was added to this computer earlier. Remember, COP server. So we click on COP server and then you go to COP DC. You actually double click COP DC. And it's going to come up with this pane. Now, while you are in this pane, go to Tools on the top right corner. Click on Tools and go to Active Directory Users and Computers. Click on it. It's going to come up with this pane. Locate CompNet.local. You click on it. And after clicking on it, we are going to go ahead and add all of these. All of these OUS will be created in CompNet.local. So let's create. Alright, so the name for the first one is accounting. So go ahead and type in accounting. Click OK. Now accounting is created. Now, if you go ahead and click this again, this create, it's going to create the next folder or the next OUS inside of accounting. So after creating, you must go back and click on CompNet.local. So let's click on CompNet.local. Alright, so we'll go ahead and add again. The next thing we're adding is admins. So we'll go ahead, click CompNet.local again. Go ahead and type in marketing. So we'll go ahead and click CompNet.local again, and then we are creating a research there. Research dash there. So we'll go ahead and click CompNet.local, otherwise the folder will be created inside another organization. So we add, what are we adding? Sales. And then we'll click CompNet.local. What are we adding this time around? We're adding servers. Click on CompNet.local again so that we can add support. Alright, so we click on CompNet.local, create, and then what we're creating now is workstation. Enter, and yeah, I think that is all for the first task. The second task wants us to create the following OUS in the sales container. Sales manager, temp sales. So let's look at sales. This is sales. We click on it, and then we go to add. So whatever we are adding now will be added inside the sales container. So we are adding sales manager. All together, no space between them. Manager. And the next thing we're adding, still under sales, you have to click on sales. If you do not click on sales and you go ahead and click on this create. It's going to create the next container inside the item that is highlighted, which is currently sales manager. But we want it to be created inside sales, so I'll click on sales and create. What am I creating? I'm creating the last option here, which is temp sales. Temp sales. So go ahead and create. Okay. Alright, I think that is all we need to do for now. I'm not sure we need to restart or do anything. So we'll go ahead and check our answers. We made a mistake here. We didn't create sales manager OUS. So there's a mistake here. We omitted something. See, there is a mistake here because of the spelling. So you have to be very careful. So let's go ahead and spell this. So let's recreate this. Let's delete this organization. Okay. Yeah. So go ahead and create research dev. So you have to be very careful with your spelling. If your spelling is wrong, it's going to give you wrong answer. Dash dev. Alright, so so this will ultimately be deleted. We have to delete this. Okay, so for now we'll leave that for now, and then what else? Something else is wrong here. Let's check for our answers. I'll create the sales manager OU. Manager OU. Okay, let's go ahead. I think there's a spelling error here. So this is supposed to be managers. Alright, so there's an error in the spelling. So we go ahead, we go to sales, and we're going to add sales managers instead of sales manager. So you have to be very careful with the spelling. The spelling has to be the same as instructed. Sales managers. Alright, let's see. Alright, see? So the issue we had there was just spelling error, and we do not have sufficient privileges to be able to delete it. So just check your spelling if you're having any errors and correct it. In case you haven't done already, I want to consider sharing this video to others so that others can benefit from this also. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So we go ahead and score my like.